2, 1, go!
Match 3 in the playoffs. And Apprentice wastes no time, along with Fusion Core, firing into the Blue Alliance hub. Meanwhile, that's countered by Team Alpha on the Red Alliance. Vertex is under the trench, awaiting the teleoperated mode. It's advantage red, heading into the teleoperated period. Looks like CRyptonite has beached on some fuel. Vertex helps them get free. Meanwhile, Enigma tries to stifle their efforts. They may be formless, but they are not aimless. Team Alpha comes to join, but they also get hung up on fuel. CRyptonite back on the move, filling up their robot, trying to load it all onto the red side of the field. Meanwhile, on the blue side of the field, Fusion Core scoring in the blue hub. As CRyptonite reloads to try to fill up the red side in preparation for their shift, Fusion Core fires again. As we transfer over to the red side, hits a barrage from both Alpha and CRyptonite as Enigma once again tries to interfere with their scoring strategy. Vertex trying to shuttle as much fuel over to the Red Alliance as they possibly can. Fusion Core reloading their robot in preparation for the blue shift. Apprentice trying to shuttle some fuel. They're lined up, both them and Fusion Core. Load their robot's contents into the Blue Alliance hub as Vertex tries to interfere with Fusion Core's scoring. CRyptonite vacuuming up all of the fuel and transferring it over to the Red Alliance side of the field. As Team Apprentice and Fusion Core fire again into the Blue Alliance field, just in time for us to switch over to the Red Alliance shift. CRyptonite wastes no time. They fire a second volley into the Red Alliance hub. Alpha tries to get lined up, but Fusion Core misaligns them. Over on the blue side of the field, Enigma fires some shots into the Blue Alliance hub for practice. CRyptonite once again firing in the Red Alliance hub. It's 30 seconds left in the match. We're in the end game, both hubs active. Apprentice fires on the Blue Alliance hub. Alpha fires on the Red Alliance hub. CRyptonite sends it home on the Red Alliance. Enigma feeding their human players to do some last-minute damage to their score. CRyptonite firing a few last-minute fuel into the Red Alliance hub. 2, 1. Scores are in. It's a Red Alliance victory. 179 to 86. That means the Red Alliance wins this one, and they move on to upper bracket round 2 in match 8, while the Blue Alliance drops down to live again in the lower bracket round 2 in match 6.